Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're into woodworking, DIY projects, or just need to tackle some home improvement tasks, you know how important it is to have the right tools. Today, we're showcasing the top 10 hand saws available on Amazon that will make your cutting tasks a breeze. So grab your safety goggles and let's dive in. Let me tell you about the Dovetail Japanese hand saw, a fantastic tool for woodworking enthusiasts. This 6-inch pull saw features a double-edged blade, making it incredibly versatile. On one side, it has 17 teeth per inch, designed for cutting hardwood, while on the other side, it offers 14 TPI for softwood. This means whether you're working with tough or less dense materials, this saw can handle both with ease. What really sets this saw apart is its durable and flexible SK5 high-carbon steel blade. Through extensive testing, we found that the 6-inch size is optimal for making precise flush and finish cuts. The blade undergoes high-frequency hardening, reaching a hardness of HRC 60 to 63 degrees, ensuring it stays sharp for longer. Plus, the hardened 3-edge teeth feature a unique grinding gear design for quicker chip removal and a smoother cutting experience. The beach handle also provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver. Overall, the Dovetail Japanese hand saw is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to elevate their woodworking projects. It combines durability, precision, and versatility all in one sleek design. Let me introduce you to the Magic Saw Universal Hand Saw Kit, an incredibly versatile toolbox that every DIY enthusiast should have. This kit stands out because it includes a variety of blades that cater to multiple cutting needs, making it a true all-in-one solution for your projects. Whether you need to make precise cuts in wood, PVC pipes, or even glass, this saw kit has got you covered. What's really impressive is its adaptability. It works not just as a hacksaw, but also functions as a coping saw, jab saw, and even a pruning saw. So if you're tackling different materials or types of cuts, you can switch blades easily and get the job done efficiently. The lightweight design ensures that you'll be able to maneuver it comfortably, reducing fatigue during longer tasks. The quality of the blades is noteworthy, providing clean cuts without excessive effort. Plus, the compact design makes it easy to store in your toolbox or take with you to a job site. Overall, the Magic Saw Universal Hand Saw Kit is a must-have for anyone looking for a versatile and efficient cutting tool that meets a wide range of needs. It really makes woodworking, plumbing, and even arts and crafts so much easier. Let me tell you about the CZ Mini Chainsaw, a game changer for anyone needing a reliable tool for tree trimming and wood cutting. This cordless, handheld electric chainsaw is lightweight at just 2.62 pounds, making it perfect for one-handed use without causing fatigue. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, its portability allows you to easily navigate tight spaces and get the job done efficiently. One of the standout features of this chainsaw is its large capacity battery pack. It comes with two 2.0 batteries and a fast charger, ensuring you have extended usage time. These rechargeable batteries also have built-in self-overload and temperature protection, which helps to prolong their lifespan. Using this mini chainsaw is incredibly straightforward. It comes fully assembled, so there's no hassle with separate chain installation. You'll just need to adjust the tightness with the included wrench and keep an eye on the chain tension. With a powerful motor that lets you slice through logs up to 5.91 inches in diameter in about 8 seconds, this tool is perfect for woodcutting, pruning, and gardening tasks. Overall, the CZ Mini Chainsaw combines efficiency, portability, and ease of use, making it a fantastic addition to your tool collection. Let me tell you about the Rex Betty Folding Saw, a fantastic tool that's perfect for camping, bushcraft, landscaping, and general yard work. This saw features a durable 8-inch SK5 steel blade designed for efficient cutting, making it a reliable companion when you're out in the field. The heavy-duty but lightweight design allows you to power through thick branches with ease, making it ideal for cutting branches with a diameter of about 4 to 5 inches. What really sets this folding saw apart is its aggressive staggered teeth, with a sharp 7 TPI configuration that provides ultra-smooth and precise sawing with every stroke. You'll notice how easily it cuts without binding or snagging, which is essential when you're in a hurry or dealing with tough materials. Another great feature is the comfortable, longer rubber-coated polymer handle that ensures a strong grip, no matter the weather conditions. Whether it's rainy or hot, you won't have to worry about slipping while you work. Overall, the Rex Betty folding saw is an excellent addition to your toolkit, combining durability and efficiency, making those outdoor tasks a lot easier and more enjoyable. It really is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Let me share some details about the Goldblatt folding drywall and sheetrock saw, an essential tool for anyone working with wallboard, plywood, or PVC. This saw has a total length of 11 3/4 inches, with a comfortable 6 3/4 inch handle that fits most hand sizes nicely. The 5-inch saw blade is made with high-quality bimetal that boasts a hardness rating of HRC 62 to 68, ensuring durability and reliability. What's great about this saw is the precision triple ground teeth that allow for quick, smooth cutting. With an 8 TPI configuration, it cuts effectively in both directions, making the chore of slicing through materials like drywall effortless. The extra secured blade-to-handle assembly provides additional safety, while the deep gullets between the teeth keep the blade clear of debris for consistent performance. Plus, the sharpened tip is specifically designed to punch through drywall easily. You'll appreciate the ergonomic anti-slip grip on the handle, which not only provides comfort, but also reduces fatigue during extended use. The secure lock system prevents any accidental closures during usage, and the foldable design makes it portable and easy to store. Overall, the Goldblatt folding saw is a solid choice for anyone looking to tackle drywall cuts with efficiency and ease. Let's talk about the Kata hacksaw, a compact hand-operated tool that really packs a punch. With its lightweight aluminum alloy frame, this hacksaw is designed for easy handling while being incredibly solid. The ergonomic double-injection anti-slip grip ensures that you can operate it comfortably, even during prolonged use. Switching blades is a breeze too. You just loosen and fix the screw to replace the blades, which adds to its convenience. This close-quarter hacksaw is a must-have for anyone who often works in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. It's perfect for those situations where a standard saw just can't fit. The Kata hacksaw comes with one 10-inch bimetal HSS blade and 2 extra flexible blades to keep you going, making it ideal for cutting wood, PVC, plasterboard, metal sheets, and foam. On top of that, it features a dual-action blade lock for added safety while you work. The saw accommodates both 10-inch and 12-inch blades, giving you versatility in your projects. With a cut depth of 2.5 inches and an overall length of 11.5 inches, this mini hacksaw is undoubtedly an essential addition to any craftsman's toolkit, ensuring you have the right tool for those tricky cuts. Let me introduce you to the Hotmech 12-inch handsaw, designed for both pros and DIY enthusiasts who need reliable cutting performance. This saw features a strong steel square tube construction, which ensures high tension and allows for fast, accurate cuts. Equipped with a 24 TPI bimetal blade, it delivers professional-grade performance with exceptional hardness and durability, resulting in smooth, clean cuts every time. One of the standout features of this hacksaw is the adjustable blade tension, which makes it easy to customize for different cutting tasks. Whether you're tackling metal, wood, steel pipes, or PVC, this tool can handle it all with ease. The 12-inch solid frame allows for a generous 4-inch cutting depth, so you won't be limited in your projects. The ergonomic design includes a non-slip handle that reduces fatigue during long working hours, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. This means you can work faster and more efficiently without compromising on comfort. Overall, if you're looking for a hacksaw that combines robust construction with ease of use and versatility, the Hotmech 12-inch handsaw is an excellent choice for achieving high-quality results in your cutting tasks. Let me tell you about the Jorgensen 15-inch handsaw, a fantastic tool that's perfect for woodworking and various cutting tasks. This saw features 8 teeth per inch and 3 cutting edges, allowing you to make aggressive cuts that are 50% faster than standard handsaws. This means you can improve your work efficiency without sacrificing precision. Plus, the cut edges come with a plastic protective sleeve, making it safe to carry and store. The blade is made from D6A and M2 steel, which not only makes it durable, but also resistant to deformation. The black-coated surface adds an anti-rust feature that prolongs the saw's lifespan, making it perfect for outdoor use on trees and branches. You'll also find a small hole in the handle designed for easy storage. The aluminum handle offers a strong connection between the handle and the blade, ensuring it won't come loose during powerful cutting motions. Designed with comfort in mind, the high-quality TPE and ABS materials provide a strong grip, and the 45-degree and 90-degree markings make angle cutting simple. Whether you're sawing, trimming, gardening, or pruning, the Jorgensen handsaw is versatile enough for professionals, woodworkers, and amateurs alike, easily handling wood, PVC, and branches. Let me introduce you to the Suizan Dozuki Dovetail saw, a must-have tool for any woodworking enthusiast. This professional Japanese pull saw features a 7-inch blade designed specifically for making precise cuts, whether you're going for a rip, cross, or angle cut. The saw's unique design allows for effortless cutting with its pull stroke action, which means you'll get smoother, cleaner cuts without needing to apply excessive force. The blade is made from high-quality Japanese steel, ensuring durability and a long-lasting sharp edge, which is vital for intricate woodworking tasks like dovetail joints. The fine teeth, typically around 20 TPI, make it perfect for detailed work where accuracy is key. You'll find that it cuts through hardwood and softwood alike with remarkable ease, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. Additionally, the Suizan Dozuki features a lightweight and comfortable handle that enhances grip and maneuverability. This means you can work for extended periods without fatigue. Whether you're crafting furniture or tackling small projects, this handsaw combines traditional craftsmanship with modern efficiency, making it an essential tool for both professional woodworkers and hobbyists. If precision and quality matter to you, the Suizan Dozuki Dovetail saw is an excellent choice. Let me tell you about the Huiman Extendable Tree Saw, an incredibly versatile tool that's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. This saw extends to a full 5 feet, giving you the reach you need for tree trimming, yet it collapses down to just 12 inches for easy transport and storage. Weighing only 2.3 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle, making it great for hunting, camping, or any outdoor activity. The design is compact but highly durable, featuring a lockback blade and I-beam aluminum construction that ensures it can withstand rigorous use. The blade is made from high-carbon SK5 steel and boasts impulse-hardened 4-edged teeth for maximum cutting efficiency and longevity. You'll notice how easily it slices through branches, making your work quicker and more efficient. Using the Huiman tree saw is a breeze thanks to its positive locking extension system, allowing for quick adjustments while trimming. Plus, the inline design means you can switch between the pole and the handsaw seamlessly. Whether you need to detach the handsaw for close work or extend the pole for higher branches, this saw adapts to your needs. If you're looking for a solid companion for your outdoor adventures, the Huiman Extendable Tree Saw is definitely worth considering.